Are you trying to find a way to get more traffic from your YouTube channel or videos or whatever? If so, I've got something really interesting to share with you in my review of Tube Funnel. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. And why would that be? Well, that's because I wear a fedora everywhere that I go. I am one of the few people who can pull one successfully. Well, of course, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be as stale as, well, the muffins on a cop's desk because, let's face it, they all want the donuts, not the muffins. After all, they say time to get the donuts, right? Anyway, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. Now, why would I do such a thing? Well, it's very simple, actually. I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Really, Bart? Every day you gotta say the same thing? You know, it's hot, it's the summer. I'm getting really annoyed with this guy every single day. Can somebody get him to shut up? Really, Bart, it's enough. Get him to shut up already. The way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you, Liz Lemon. You see, I love Liz. She says the same thing every day also, but she's a sweetheart about it, so I can't get angry at her. If you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. But frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. We are on the sales page for the Tube Funnel course.
Now, who wants funnel cake?
No, not a funnel cake, tube funnel. Pay attention. Anyway, but seriously. So you can see here some of the results that the creator of the tube funnel has been able to achieve with these things. It's actually a three-person launch. It's with my friends Mark Whiteley and Anthony Rusek, and the third person actually chose the course I'm not familiar with personally. But it's a good course. I went over it. It's nice. It does the job really, really well. Great material. Now, what I'm going to give you as a bonus when you grab the tube funnel from me, because I always give custom bonuses. There's a bunch of bonuses I'm going to give you that are coming from the vendor. And let me go ahead and actually see if I can pull that up real quick. I'll tell you what those actually are going to be so that I can share that with you. But in the meantime, what I'm going to give you personally, I'm going to give you a set of about 200 video clips that you can actually use to create videos. I'm also going to give my high-level training on using DaVinci Resolve software. The DaVinci Resolve is a completely free software that you can actually use to create your own videos here on YouTube. I'm going to give you my high-level course on how to use DaVinci Resolve. Some really, really good material there. You're going to learn a lot from that. And I'm also going to give you, of course, as I said, you're getting the courses. I hope that's not recording here, but anyway, you're getting the courses that the videos that I was going to give you, and I'm going to give you a bunch of stuff from the vendor. It looks like I can't load it right now, so let me go back over here and just go ahead and you'll see it basically in the members area on the bonus talk when you get it. But there's a bunch of really cool stuff that the vendor is letting me give you as well. Okay, and I want to show you the members area real quick. Not a whole lot to see here. Oh, I did want to show you one thing, by the way. Check this out. There is a $3 coupon that you can get. All you have to do basically in order to get it is try to exit anytime. It'll pop this little thing up and say $3 discount. Use coupon code $3 discount. Okay, so go ahead and get that. Use the coupon to get another $3 off. That's on me. It comes off of my commission, but I don't mind. I wanted to save you money. So $3 discount. Now, the members area, let's take a quick look over here. So it's pretty basic. Basically, the main training system. There's a dozen videos here. Not too difficult to go through. Okay, they do also include a landing page builder software, which is really a nice thing to have. That's an extra feature that they're going to give you completely for free. Okay, and they of course have a checklist, and they have the audio course if you want to listen to it in the car or whatever. Okay, and they're also going to give you this thing, which is nice. It's a profitable set of profitable niches. That's extra stuff, and of course the basic member bonuses. So it's a pretty easy to navigate members area. Not a whole lot to see here. It's based on wishlist member, which I use also for my own launches. If you've ever purchased something from me, you know wishlist member is pretty easy to use, very very basic and stuff. And that's pretty much it. There's not a whole lot to see here, but this is going to be a really really cool product that I think you're going to really get a lot out of. So let's see if I'm going to give it to Max, the product creator, or not.
You rock!
It up with the $3 discount, then this is really a no-brainer to pick it up, along with my own training, of course, that I'm giving you for free, which nobody else is going to give you. Plus, I'm going to give you all the benefit bonuses. Probably other people who are going to review the course are going to claim that these are exclusive, but they're not exclusive bonuses. There could be a whole bunch of stuff that the vendor is giving me that I can give to you as a free bonus, and it's not offered by everybody. It's only offered by bigger affiliates who have access to the vendor. I do. I've been friends with both Mark and Anthony for a long time, and so I'm able to offer you these things as an additional bonus. But the big thing is going to be my personal bonus is going to be 200 plus video clips plus my training on DaVinci Resolve, which nobody else is going to give you. These are special things that you're going to get only exclusively from me. So go ahead and grab this. It's going to be a good one.